Hello, good morning dear students. Welcome to today's class, and today we are going to continue the ray optics, and today we are going to solve some of the problems. So in the last class we have seen the formulas, and we have seen the linear magnification, that is linear magnification is equal to height of the image divided by the height of the object. Okay, and also it is given by minus v by u. So these were the formulas, and 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v, and also f is equal to r by 2. So these are the formulas we know, and let's start the today's class with this problem. This one problem. So it is NCERT problem. So let's see. A needle, a 2.5 centimeter needle is placed 10 centimeter away from the convex mirror, okay, of focal length 20 centimeter. So solution. So a 2.5 centimeter needle, it's nothing but the height of the object he has given. The object, that is needle, object is needle whose height is 2.5 centimeter. So just write it. Height of the object is 2.5 centimeter. 2.5 centimeter, and object is placed above the principal axis, therefore it is positive. It is plus. Now is placed 10 centimeter away from the convex mirror, means it is nothing but 10 centimeter away from the convex mirror, means it is object distance, that is u. Convex mirror ಇಂದ 10 centimeter ದೂರ ಇಟ್ಟಿವಿ ನಾವು, ಅಂದರೆ from pole to 10 centimeter. So this is nothing but the object distance, that is 10 centimeter. It is plus or minus, because this is convex mirror, so therefore it is minus. How? Suppose this is a convex mirror. So this is the object which is 10 centimeter from this convex mirror. This is pole. From here to here it is 10 centimeter. This is the direction of incident ray, and we are measuring it in opposite direction. So therefore it is minus 10 centimeter. And focal length is given by 20 centimeter. Okay. So convex mirror focal length will be somewhere here, so therefore it is 20 centimeter, and it is also plus. I already said this, how to give the signs, you know well. So he has given height of the object, height of the object distance, and the focal length of the convex mirror. Now what he is asking, find the location of the image and the magnification. Location of the image, andre we have to calculate. Okay. So you know u, f gottaiti, u gottaiti. Now let's calculate the v. We have the formula, that is 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. So this is the formula. Just substitute everything. Focal length 1 by 20 is equal to 1 by u, 1 by minus 10 plus 1 by v. So if I take minus 1 by 10 this side, so it will become plus, so it will be 1 by 10 plus 1 by 20 is equal to 1 by v, right? 1 by 10 plus 1 by 20 is equal to 1 by v. So finally if I multiply and divide it by 2, so it is 2 by 20. So the denominator is same, that is 20. Add the numerator. 2 plus 1 is nothing but 3 is equal to 1 by v, or v is equal to 20 by 3. So if I cut it, 3 1s are 3, 3 6 are 18 point, again 3 6 are, so again it is v is equal to 6.6 centimeter. Means where I am getting the image we are getting at 6.6 centimeter from the pole. So it is plus, okay, no sign is there, so it is nothing but the plus 6.6 centimeter. So again if I want to get plus 6.6 and I have to go in the direction of incident ray like this. So again I will get the image somewhere here at the 6.6 centimeter. Okay, so we will get the image of this behind the mirror because this is positive. Now what he is asking, location of the image and the magnification. So magnification, we know the formula, m is equal to minus v by u, m is equal to minus v by u. So m is equal to, what is v, what is v, we have got that is 6.66 divided by u, minus v divided by u is nothing but minus 10 centimeter. So again this minus cancels, so if you take it, m is equal to 0.66 centimeter, right? M is equal to 0.66 centimeter, sorry, it doesn't have any unit. So m is equal to 0.66. Okay, now magnification is equal to 0.66. Now let's calculate the height of the image. Again we know one more formula, m is equal to hi by ho, okay. So just substitute m here, m is equal to 0.66 into hi, we don't know. Height of the image we want to know, we are going to calculate. Height of the object ho is 2.5 centimeter, 2.5 centimeter, just take it here. So hi is equal to 2.5 into 0.66, okay. So if you calculate it, you will get the final answer, that is 1.66 centimeter. Got this? So height of the image is 1.66 centimeter. Now just see height of the image and height of the object. Height of the object was 2.5 centimeter, height of the image is 1.66 centimeter. So therefore height of the image is less than height of the object, or height of the object is greater than height of the image, right? So therefore, see here also we have got m less than 1. Yesterday I have said in the class, whenever you get m less than 1 sikkage, what will be the conclusion? The height of the image will be less than height of the object. So m we got the less than 1. So therefore you see height of the image is less than height of the object. It is 1.66 and it is 2.5 centimeter. You got this? I think you understood this. So therefore we have got this m less than 1, height of the image is less than height of the object. Now what would happen if the needle moved away from the mirror? Okay, so primarily our needle was here. So if I move this needle away from the mirror, so this is the mirror, if I move this needle away from the mirror kinta dur kadsidre baadashtu dur, suppose at infinity elle bekalle na kadasbodu. So if I keep this needle away from the mirror inda dur kadastini, so what will happen, enaguttandre, so if I am sending the needle away from the mirror, avag enaguttandre, so this is the convex mirror, okay. This is the principal axis, okay. So if I am sending the needle away from the mirror, very very far I am sending. So as we send the needle away from the mirror, the image what we are getting will go on decreasing, the size of the image will go on decreasing and it will approach to the focus, okay. Size of the image will go on decreasing and it will approach to the focus, and finally if it is at infinity, the image is at infinity, at focus it will form a point image, one point image namge sigutte, okay. So what will happen if I send this needle away from the mirror, then finally the image will approach to the focus. Image will come towards the focus, and finally at some point it will be at focus, and the size of the image will go on decreasing, and finally at very far distance, when the needle is very far, at that time the point image is formed. Point image means one point, very small point type image will form. Okay, so finally we will get one point image there. So this is the conclusion, and this was the problem. So one more time I will explain it. Okay, let's start. A 2.5 centimeter needle is placed 10 centimeter away from the convex mirror. Okay, what is 2.5 centimeter needle? Height of the needle he has given, height of the object is 2.5 centimeter, is placed 10 centimeter away from the convex mirror. So this is a convex mirror, other than the 10 centimeter away TV. So I have already said convex mirror iddage object distance is always negative. So therefore 10 minus 10 centimeter, and focal length is given by 20 centimeter. So focal length of a convex lens is always positive. So therefore it is plus 20 centimeter. Okay, we know U, we know F, we have to calculate the V. V means object distance, image distance. V means image distance. So we are going to calculate the image distance. Now what we will do? 1 by F is equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V. Just substitute the values. Finally you will get image distance as 6.6 centimeter. Just check whether it is positive or negative. Image nodri, image distance positive bandre, image is behind the mirror, because it is convex mirror. Image distance positive bandre, image is behind the mirror. Of course for convex mirror all the images are behind the mirror only. So when image distance positive bandre, image is behind the mirror in case of convex mirror. So finally we can conclude from this that image is virtual, that is it is behind the mirror. ಈಗ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯಿತು. ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದ್ಮ್ಯಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಮ್ಮ? ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ? ಎಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ವಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ವಿ ಬೈ ಯು. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಒನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಇದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ ಐತಿ. ಸೊ ವಿ ನೋ ವಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ, ಯು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದಿ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್. So magnification is we got 0.66. Again we one more formula we are having, that is m is equal to hi by ho. ಇದ್ರಾಗ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ m value ಹಾಕ್ರಿ, height of the object ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೈತ್ರಿ ಅದು ಹಾಕ್ರಿ. So finally what we will get? hi is equal to 2.5 into 0.66. So finally height of the image will get 1.66 centimeter. Okay, from here only we can conclude that ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಏನಂದರೆ, because this value of m magnification, linear magnification value is less than 1. So finally ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನಾ ಏನು ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು? Because the value of linear magnification is less than 1, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂದರೆ, we can conclude that image height is less than object height. ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಅದು ಹೈಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಐತಿ ಅದು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ you have to use this formula. ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಐತಿ? ಸೊ image height is 1.66 centimeter and object height is plus 2.5 centimeter. So object height is more than image height. So therefore what? Image height is less than object height. So this is the way to solve the problem, and I hope you understood this. It's one of the most easy problem. Sometimes they can ask this. They will ask this kind of problem. So let's take a new problem. A square of side 4 centimeter. A square of side 4 centimeter is placed 20 centimeter away from the concave mirror. Is placed 20 centimeter away from the concave mirror of radius of curvature 30 centimeter. Concave mirror of radius of curvature 30 centimeter. Calculate the area enclosed by the image of the square. Calculate the area enclosed by the image of the square. So this is the question. So let's solve this question. If possible, if you can do, just pause the video and try to solve this question. Okay, everything you know, just little bit of alteration is there. So everything you know, no problem. A square of side 4 cm is placed 20 cm away from the concave mirror of radius of curvature 30 cm. Calculate the area enclosed by the image of the square. Okay, let's start. First write what they have given. A square of side 4 cm is placed 20 cm away from one square aiti. So there is one square. Square andre gottalri. So this is one square of side 4 cm. Okay, you should know how to calculate the area of the square. Area of square is equal to area of square hang calculate ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. Area of the square is equal to L square. Okay, one side other square togori. So 4 square. So L square is nothing but 4 square, that is equal to 416 meter. It is in meter, no centimeter, 16 centimeter square. So this is the area of the square. Okay, so a square of side 4 centimeter is placed 20 centimeter away from the concave mirror. So we are dealing with the concave mirror. LA U est kottana 20 centimeter. So U is 20 centimeter. We are dealing with the concave mirror. So therefore U is always negative. That is object distance negative, always negative. Okay. Of radius of curvature 30 centimeter. R is equal to 30 centimeter. Again for concave mirror radius of curvature always negative. Calculate the area enclosed by the image of the square. Okay, what is the question? Area enclosed by the image of the square. Okay, let's solve. Don't take tension, nothing much is there. It is very easy, amma. Don't worry, you are going to solve it very easily. Don't worry, just don't take tension, just start the question. Let's start. ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡು, ಇದು ಆಮ್ಯಾಗ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಮ್ಯಾಗ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇದು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಐತಿ, ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಒಂದು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಐತಿ. ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ 20 centimeter away from the concave mirror of radius of curvature 30 centimeter. Okay, so U is equal to minus 20, R is equal to minus 30. So finally we know we can calculate F is equal to R by 2. That is equal to, what is R? Minus 30 divided by 2. So finally you will get minus 15 centimeter. So F we got, F is equal to minus 15 centimeter. F is equal to minus centimeter. ಈಗ ಫೈನಲಿ ಅವನು ಏನು ಕೇಳತ್ತಾನೆ? ಏರಿಯಾ ಎನ್ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಬೈ ದಿ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಕೇಳತ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಏರಿಯಾ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ಲೇಟರ್, ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಮ್ಯಾಗ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ, ಇಮೇಜ್ ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ವೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಇಮೇಜ್? ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದಟ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ನೋ ದಿ ಫೋಕಲ್ ಲೆಂತ್, ವಿ ನೋ ದಿ object distance. One more formula we have, that is 1 by F is equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V. So just calculate where is the image. Image alle iti calculate madri, just substitute it. Okay, F is equal to minus 15. So 1 by minus 15 is equal to 1 by U. What is U? U is minus 20 plus 1 by V. Okay, don't worry, don't take tension. 1 by minus 15. I will take this minus 20, 1 by minus 20 this side, so it will become plus 1 by 20 minus 1 by 15 is equal to 1 by v. Okay, just do cross multiplication ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದರದು multiply by 4 ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. 15 4s are 60, 23s are 60 and multiply and divided by 3. So what you will get? 3 divided by 60 minus 4 divided by 60. So denominator we have made the denominator same ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿವ್ರಿ. So finally ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಿರಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ. So 3 minus 4 is minus 1 divided by 60 is equal to 1 by v. So finally what we will get? V is equal to minus 60 centimeter. ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಅವರ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಈಸ್ at minus 60 centimeter. ಓಕೆ, ಕಾನ್ಕೇವ್ ಮಿರರ್ ಐತಿ. ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್? ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ ಕಾನ್ಕೇವ್ ಮಿರರ್ ಐತಿ. So we are having concave mirror. So this is the object, this is the direction of the incident ray. Okay, so we are going minus 60 andre we are going opposite to the incident ray. Andre pole in the illi somewhere we are having object image is here which is at 60 centimeter from the pole on the reflecting side. Okay, I think you understood this. So V is at minus 60 centimeter. Okay, right. Ega V is at minus 60 centimeter. So now let's calculate the magnification. Okay, now M is equal to minus V by U. You know this. Just substitute it. V is minus V bari. What is V? Minus 60 divided by U. What is U? Minus 20. Okay, so this minus cancels. So it is 21s are 20, 23s are 60. So it is minus 30. Minus 3. So what we got? M is equal to minus 3. Now just take it one more equation. M is equal to hi by ho. Just substitute it. M is minus 3 is equal to, what is hi? Height of the image. Height of the image we have to calculate. Height of the image we have to calculate divided by height of the object. Object height ಏನಾಯ್ತ್ರಿ? What is the height of the object? 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter? Illa. Again that also we don't know. So hi by ho. So finally if I take this ho this side, hi is equal to minus 3 into ho, and finally wait. So again, so leave this minus sign. So height of the object, height of the image is 3 times height of the object. Object image height ಏನೈತಿ object height ಗಿಂತ 3 times ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಐತಿ. ಅಂದರೆ image, suppose object height, so we have having one square. Is square object, this square is object which is having side 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter ಇದರದು ಸೈಡ್ ಐತಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಮೇಜ್ ಏನು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇದರದು ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದರದು 3 times ಇದರದು 3 times ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದರೆ 4 into 3. ಸೊ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇದರದು 3 times ಅಂದರೆ 4 into 3, that is 12. Each side will be of 12 centimeter. So this is the image which is having the side 12 centimeter. Okay, now if you calculate the area of this side, area of this square, area of this square's image, area of this square which is the image. Okay, image into square into area ಏನಂದ್ರೆ we have already said L square. Okay, so again if you do it, 12 into 12, okay, 12 square, So that is equal to 12 into 12. It is nothing but 144 centimeter square. So this is the final answer. I hope you understood this. One more time I will repeat it. So they have placed one square somewhere here, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಟ್ಟಾರ ಅವರು in front of a concave mirror of side 4 centimeter, other side 4 centimeter ಐತಿ and 20 centimeter away from the concave mirror. Concave mirror in the 20 centimeter away ಐತಿ, so therefore object distance is minus 20 centimeter and radius of curvature is, again they have given minus 30. So we have calculated f by using this f is equal to r by 2. Finally we got f is equal to minus 15. Again 1 by minus, if I substitute 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v, then finally we will get image distance as v is equal to minus 60 centimeter. Again m is equal to minus v by u, we know this formula. So m is equal to minus of minus 60 centimeter divided by u is again negative, that is minus 20 centimeter. So finally if I calculate, we have got the m is minus 3. So magnification is minus 3 and magnification is minus 3. So height of the image, minus 3 is equal to height of the image by height of the object, and finally minus hi is equal to minus 3 into ho. So therefore image is 3 times bigger than object. So therefore if the image is, object is having 4 centimeter side, the image will be having square of side 12 centimeters. So finally once each side of the square in the image is 12 centimeter, and finally area of that square will be L square, that is 12 into 12 square, that is equal to 144 centimeter square. So this is the solution of the problem. I hope you understood. If you have any doubts, you can comment me, you can ask me, you can call me anytime. Thank you everybody. Good luck. Thank you. Good night. Goodbye.